twist. Oh my goodness. Alright, try again. There you go.
Okay.
Hold on. Don't fall. Hold on. Yeah, that's better. Are you lifting yourself up?
Finn.
He's like doing chin-ups on the thing. I'll tip it over. It's pretty good, buddy. I'm pretty impressed. You gonna chew on it for a while?
Finn.
Don't distract.
Good job, buddy.
Keep this from tipping over. Didn't touch him.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna let you knock this over.
What are you doing, big boy?
I'm just standing. Just
What are
hold
you
myself
doing,
up
big
for a while.
boy?
You are a monster.
Oh. Oh.
Kid's got a grip.
Oh my goodness.
I got my foot on it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's it.
okay. We'll just watch him, too.
I got him.
Buddy boy.
Distract the poor child.
Buddy boy. Finn. Finn.
What are you doing?
Are you a stinker? Are you a stinker?
This is ridiculous.
Tom's dreams coming true.
What's that?
When he said he had the dream that Finn
Oh,
could walk and...
Finn's walking around and talking to him. Pretty close.
Or no, was it the talking?
I think he was.
Or maybe it was the talking.
Oh, there you go. You get back up. You don't need me. You don't need me. You don't need me. There you go.
Oh,
Your leg's getting tired.
Yeah.
Stand up for a long time.
okay. Say
Okay,
goodnight.
Say
Good
night,
night.
Say-
Night,
Take
night.
a bow. Take a bow.
Night, night.
Take a bow.
Come on. Baby yoga lessons have paid off. Let's show that baby
the
sign
mic.
language works.
Yeah, right.
Night, night.
Say night, night.
Night,
No, I'm gonna play
night.
with this for a
No.
while. Jeez. All right.